Gilly does it all. This is my first unboxing. I mean, I'm just trying it out right now. It's gonna be a little ratchet, but fuck it, we're gonna do it quick. See how it goes. See, I got the box. Can't show y'all the address because y'all some fucking haters out there. But this is the box. This is a little unorthodox right here, this box. Some kits. I bought these because I wanted these, not because I'm gonna resell them or anything like that. I mean, these are one of my favorites. But if I get to double my money, I might sell them real quick. I mean, but let me show y'all something. What y'all know about these, man? They're not Jordans, they're Ewings. These big boys. I mean, these are my shits right here. Throw these shits on with my Ewing jersey. With some light blue jeans. I'm gonna be in the Garden courtside next to Spike Lee. You feel me?